Hello, my name is Jonathan Winder, and this is Mod 1, Building Professional Capacity Through Personal Intros for EDL 851. A little bit about who I am personally. I grew up in Troy, Kansas, and graduated from Troy High School in 2002. I've been happily married to my wife Callie for 13 years, soon to be 14 in January. We love the outdoors and enjoy staying active. My hobbies include golfing and biking. Callie and I just recently moved back to the Troy and Highland, Kansas area with plans to build a home. And you can see there, we've purchased some land and we are getting that cleared off, ready to build. Exciting times. A little bit about who I am professionally. I'm a graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I am currently in my 14th year teaching and coaching in the Watheen and Riverside School District. My favorite part of this profession is building relationships with my students and the staff I work with. I strive to make a positive impact on every student I encounter. Now we're going to take a look at some strategies for developing a collaborative professional culture. First would be improvement. There is consensus that we need to improve overall student achievement in the U.S. To help teachers fulfill their role in this, effective teacher supervision and evaluation systems that inform teacher professional development and improve instruction are essential. A commonly stated purpose of teacher education is targeted professional development to improve teacher effectiveness. I think that's very important. Targeting a professional development towards specific teachers, specific content matter, and so on. Retention. This seems to be a big one. I've noticed it over my years. It's hard. It's hard to keep teachers around for various different reasons. I think to keep quality teachers and new teachers, according to Torres and Kritsonis, money is an option. Establish an incentive pay structure that rewards teachers for staying. This pay would last up to 5 years. They say that if someone stays for 5 years, they're pretty much invested and they may stay. 2, insist on involvement. Have teachers sponsor an activity or a sport. Strongly encourage them to go to school events. Get them involved. Number 3 is opportunities for growth. Teachers should seek opportunities for professional development outside of the school, and the principals should have money available to support these pursuits. According to GoHill, if we focus on creating a positive work environment for our teachers, this will have a positive impact on their well-being, boost morale, and ultimately, in the long term, help to retain valued and experienced teachers. I think GoHill hit it on the head. I think a positive work environment is crucial to keeping quality teachers. Learning. 90% of teachers participate in 1 or 2 day workshops or conferences to fulfill professional development requirements instead of participating in sustained professional development that has been shown to deliver significant returns in student achievement, such as lesson study, peer observation coaching, and ongoing learning opportunities embedded in practice. Once again, I think these learning opportunities for professional development need to be targeted to specific teachers and subject matter. Well-being. I think it's important as leaders to be mindful of our staff's well-being, aware of teacher burnout, and do things to help them in those areas before it's too late. Examples may include staff exercise opportunities or staff get-togethers to unwind and leave work at work. I think that's something I notice with a lot of teachers I know. They can't leave work at work. They take it home with them and it consumes them. And when they need that time to unwind and have that balance. Next, work-life balance and protected breaks at work are also 2 things that need to be considered when speaking of well-being. Every person should have a protected break at work where they do not have students in their care and they can relax and they can get things ready for their next class or whatever they need. Managers are in a key position to create a mentally healthy workplace for the staff they supervise. I think staff well-being is also something that is somewhat overlooked. I think it's very important to retain teachers. They need to know that they are cared for and they are supported. Standard correlation. This assignment was in direct correlation to 7.2. We had an opportunity to see what a collaborative professional culture designed to promote school improvement, teacher retention, and well-being of all in school actually looks like. It was also clear that all of the resources promoted improvement, retention, learning, and well-being. Relevant. This assignment was very relevant to my current learning. It agreed with my understanding of the educational success and well-being of students and adults. I have witnessed a few of the concepts as an educator pertaining to retention and staff well-being. Reflection. This assignment will be very beneficial to me as I move forward into building leadership. What I learned from this assignment is to always have an awareness of the things I need to be mindful of when it pertains to teacher improvement, retention, learning, and well-being. Here are my references. Thank you for listening and have a great day.